Fourth, high callback, R.R. Buckles Clubhouse, Trevor Brazile. Followed by Style and Blue Kitten, Dakota Kirkenschlager, Metallic Hardwood, Caleb Driggers. $6.49, $6.49.
Real good right there.
Judge 1 was an 80. Judge 2 was a 79 for a 232.51. That gives him a 689.31 on 3 steers. First place in the pre-futurity heading goes to R.R. Buckles Clubhouse, Trevor Brazile for $3,120. Second place goes to Metallic Hardwood, Caleb Driggers for $2,496. Third place goes to Style and Blue Kitten, Dakota Kirkenschlager, $1,872.